students, relax, sit back and listen to a math class. In today's class, we are going to learn about divisibility criteria. Okay, so divisibility criteria is useful in finding the exact divisor of the given number. If a number is given and we have to find which number exactly divides this number means, then there we can apply this divisibility criteria. Okay. In this video, we are going to learn about divisible by 2, divisible by 3 and divisible by 6. Okay, divisible by 2. A natural number is divisible by 2 if and only if the digit in the units place. The digit in the units place is either 2, 4, 6, 8 or 0. So, in units place, we should have either 2 or 4 or 6 or 8 or 0. Okay, if these numbers are in units place means, then that number will be exactly divided by 2. That's what the concept here is. So, for example, 246. So, here in units place, 6 is there. So, this number will be exactly divided by 2. Now, consider another example, 240. In units place, 0 is here. So, 2 or 4 or 6 or 8 or 0. So, this number will be exactly divided by 2. 125. In units place, 5 is here. So, this number won't be divided by 2. Now, consider another example, 1, 2, 2, 4, 6, 8, 8, 0, 0, 2. So, check its units place. In units place, 2 is here. So, this number will be exactly divided by this 2. Okay, this is what the concept of divisible by 2. So, for a number to be divided by 2, you have to check the units place. In units place, either 2 or 4 or 6 or 8 or 0 should be there. If it is there, then that number will be divided by 2. Divisible by 3. A number is divisible by 3 if the sum of its digits is divisible by 3. That means, for example, consider this example 99. You have to check whether this number is divisible by 3 or not. So, the first step is step 1. You have to add all the digits. So, 9 plus 9. What you will get? 18. Okay. Step number 2, you have to check whether this 18 is a multiple of 3 or not. This 18 is a multiple of 3 or not. Is 18 is a multiple of 3? Yes. Then you can conclude that 99 is divisible by 3. So, the step number 1 is you have to add each and every digit and you will get one answer. And finally, step number 2 is you have to check whether that number is a multiple of 3 or not. If it is a multiple of 3, then this number is divisible by 3. Or if it is not a multiple of 3, then this number is not divisible by 3. Now consider another example. Step number 1 is you have to add all the digits. So 3 plus 3 is 6, 6 plus 9, 15. Step number 2 is you have to check this number, whether this number is a multiple of 3 or not. Yes, it is a multiple of 3. Yes, 15 is a multiple of 3. So, therefore, 3, 9 and 3 is divisible by 3. Okay. Now, we can consider another example, 25. So, what you have to do? Step number 1, you have to add all the digits. So, 2 plus 5, 7. Step number 2, you have to check whether this 7 is a multiple of 3 or not. No, it is 7 is not a multiple of 3. Not a multiple of 3. Therefore, 25 is not divisible by 3. Okay, that's what here they have given. A number is divisible by 3 if the sum of its digits is divisible by 3. Divisible by 6. So, a number is divisible by 6 if it is divisible by both 2 and 3. Okay, for example, consider 342. According to divisibility criteria of 2, its units place has 2. So, this number 342 is divisible by 2. Am I right? Next, we have to check whether this number is divisible by 3 or not. Okay. So, for checking it, you will add each and every digit. So, 3 plus 4 plus 2. What you will get? 9. Step number 2 is you will check whether this 9 is a multiple of 3 or not. Yes, this 9 is a multiple of 3. Therefore, 342 is divisible by 3. So, this 342 is divisible by both 2 and 3. Therefore, 342 is divisible by 6. Okay. So, for a number to be divisible by 6, the number should be divisible by both 2 and 3. Okay. Now, consider another example. 34. First check the divisibility condition of 2. 34 means in units place 4 is there. So, this 34 is divisible by 2. Next 3. For checking it, you will add each and every digit. So, 3 plus 4, what you will get? 7. So, 7 is not a multiple of 3. Therefore, 34 is not divisible by 3. So, this 34 is divisible by 2, but it is not divisible by 3. So, this 34 is not divisible by 6. Okay. So, here the concept is for divisibility criteria of 6, that number should be divisible by both 2 and 3. By both 2 and 3. Okay. If it is not satisfying either of the condition, then that number is not divisible by 6. Thank you for watching. For more videos related to both school and college maths, kindly subscribe to our channel Curious Maths. Thank you.